Hey guys, I am Bianca and welcome to another episode of Make It Merry with Walmart. Today we will be upcycling a DIY snow globe kit and turning it into a decorative candy dispenser just in time for the holidays. The supplies you'll need for this project are Waverly Inspirations chalk paint, decorative peppermints, Hello Hobby paintbrushes, matte Mod Podge, hot glue, a terracotta pot, festive ribbon, a DIY snow globe kit, and scissors. The first step for this project is to flip your terracotta pot upside down, then paint it using the colors you picked out for your project. Today I'll be using crimson and snow white. Now that the base coat on my pot is dry, I'm going to go over it with my white to give it a distressed and weathered look. While the pot is drying, go ahead and grab the ornament that was included in your DIY snow globe kit and add a light layer of Mod Podge towards the bottom of it and around the back side of it. Be sure to leave the front side of your ornament clear so that later on you can see the scenery through your globe once it is totally assembled. Once you're done adding the Mod Podge inside of the ornament, grab the snow that was also included in the kit and lightly sprinkle it inside. Be sure not to use all of the snow because we will be using that for our next step. Now that we've added snow inside of the ornament, we're going to repeat this exact same process for the base of it. Next, we're going to hot glue some of the decorative items that were included in the kit, as well as our peppermints, to the base of the ornament. Once you've glued everything to the base, grab your ornament and line the bottom of it with hot glue. Add the ornament to the base. Now that we've decorated and fully assembled our snow globe kit, we're going to add hot glue to the top of the terracotta pot and add the finished snow globe kit on top of it. Next, we're going to slowly pull the top of our ornament off to create the coin slot for the front of our candy dispenser. Start by pulling the hook out and then flatten the top using your hands. Once you've completed that, grab your scissors to cut the flattened top into a circle. Now we're going to add a small dot of hot glue to the front of our terracotta pot and add on our coin slot. Last but not least, tie a bow using the ribbon that you picked out for this project and use hot glue to add it to the top of your snow globe. For more project ideas and inspiration, visit plaidonline.com or visit your local Walmart.